Okay guys, hello and welcome to another episode of Tom Voyage. My name's Tom and today we're going to be looking at this. It's the cover from Ooni for the Ooni Karu. So these covers, you can get them from Ooni Direct. They're made from 100% polyester and really it says they've got two uses. They can be used as a carry case and as a cover for leaving your Ooni outside in our good old British weather here. So what I really wanted to look at today is it worth that money? This thing retails for $39.99 here in the UK and it's $39.99 in the US. It's quite a lot of money for a case. So what we're going to figure out is whether that's worth the money or whether you're better off buying something different. So straight away in the box, we have the case itself and we have an instruction manual. This one's a bit battered, but it just tells you how to put it on. So first impressions, it feels quite durable, it's well made, it's got a nice elastic around the edge. There's a tag on it here to tell you which way is the front, and there's some nice buckles on it as well which you use to strap underneath the Ooni, and those are branded as well. It's got an Ooni logo on the side and a carrying strap for the top, so this is going to be perfect if you take your Ooni camping or away on trips travelling. So let's see how it fits onto the Ooni. So they do these covers for all types of the Ooni products. This one in particular is the Ooni Karu. So we'll see how it fits. Now it is supposed to fit with the door on. So we'll put the chimney stack on first. Part goes over the front. And then this stretches over the back. It's a nice snug fit actually. I can definitely see the wind's not going to take this off with any sort of ease. And you've got these buckles as well from underneath and they attach onto these bits here. And then this handle on the top puts both bits in, folds back on itself, and that would be your carrying handle. And once you've got that, you can fold the legs in and that's it, it's ready to go. It doesn't say anywhere what this is either, I'm not really sure. It's a popper of some sort. Okay, so there's another way you can use this case. If you prefer not have the chimney on, or say you were travelling with it, the chimney actually fits inside here. Meaning you can put the cap in the top here, and then with your case, you get the chimney to fit here, and you pull it inside itself. Okay, so now we don't have the chimney attachment on top, we can take this anywhere and it's a much more compact size. I have to say it feels really a lot better to travel with this way, and I think this is how I'll be doing it from moving on. One thing to be aware of, if you do use this as a gas oven, at the back here there is no space for the gas attachment, so you will have to take that off and carry it separately if you were planning on travelling with this as a gas oven. But if you are going to use it as a wood oven, you've got everything you need right here and it's packed away small, neat and tidy. I still don't know what this is for though. I'd quite like maybe somebody from Ooni to get in touch and let us know what this is for, because it could be quite useful. As I mentioned before, these retail for $39.99. To be honest, I think that's a little bit expensive for what it is. I think this could have been maybe half that price for the style and the quality. But like a lot of us, I quite like to stick with brands. I like the quality that Ooni brings, and you know, overall I quite like having something that's made for the product and it fits perfectly. So that was our review of the Ooni Karu cover. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a short one this time. If you do have any questions or you'd like me to answer anything about this cover, please let me know in the comments section below. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much.